Okay, hopelessness. It's a lack of hope, optimism, and passion. An individual who feels hopeless may often have no expectation of future improvement or success. Feelings of hopelessness may be caused by a variety of events, such as financial issues, relationship problems, health concerns, or other such negative circumstances. Let's prep the mind. Think of a happy thought. Okay, try again. Think of calmness and imagine what that feels like. Think of peacefulness. Imagine what that feels like. Excellent. Let's write it down. What is making you feel hopeless? What is the worst of it? Or when is the first time you felt helpless or hopeless? Do you have a memory, picture, imagery? You can write it down. Be sure to take a deep breath. Breathe in and exhale. You're doing well. Okay, now we're to step two, the distraction. How many times does the roller coaster go around in a complete circle? How many times does the roller coaster go around in the complete circle? This is just a distraction. How many balloons do you see? Or how many seats are on the Ferris? On a happy feeling. Make it a happy song. are in blue shirts? How many are waving or have waved? How many have touched their hair? And how many males are there? Let's go ahead and relax and enjoy the forest. That is you leaning back and enjoying the forest. Just relax. Ah, okay, let's do a self evaluation. Are things feeling less intense? What area is improved? Any images which are fading? Any sensations which are less? Let's try another one. Select one. What is in the photo? Let's spell it backwards. You can do more than one if you have the time. Now, take an imagine. What does free feel like? How peaceful is the water? Feel the water beneath your feet. Now, self evaluation. Do you feel more hopeful? Notice what is remaining. What remains that is shaky, depressing, or not so good? Make sure you continue to breathe. You can just think it now. No need to write it down if you do not want to. Breathe. Okay, so now, how many words start with J? You can write them down. Let's go ahead and relax. Feel the calmness. Listen to the music. Okay, let's do a self evaluation. Does it feel like a one or a zero emotion? Test it. Think of the worst scenario. Try to make yourself feel bad. You're thinking, what? No, I'll feel bad. That's okay, because then you'll know what you thought to make yourself feel bad, and you can do one more round to have that release also. Just breathe. Here we go. What was it that you thought of? If it went up, if it didn't, that's okay. Keep going. Write down numbers backwards by twos, starting from 100, 98, 96. To make it harder if necessary, write the words of the number. So 100 would be ONEHUNDRED. Remember, it's just the engagement of your mind. If it is difficult, that is actually to your advantage. Okay, so now
There's a
let's
place I found
relax
in the shade
with some
all
happy
alone,
thoughts.
far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me. No one can guess what I came there to see.
Make sure you're
There's a
feeling it
sun in the
to your
sky,
toes.
there's a cloud drifting by.
Make sure there's
All
sensation.
kinds of
It's very,
birds make a
very important to
wish you
feel
could
that
fly. And in the
relaxed state.
distance I see someone waving at me. I hope that it's you, but who else could it be? I
Good
guess
job.
it
When
would
emotion
be
remains at a 1 or a 0,
nice
be sure to flip
to
the memory.
know in
Redo
your
this
arms.
video if necessary at another time, or do another video if it has not reached a 1 or 0.